Islands?
Burnt Islands, a small coastal community on the southwest coast of Newfoundland, is about 27 kilometers, or 17 miles, east of Port aux Basques. The community is made up of an island section and a main section, which were connected by a causeway in 1969. You'll see rocky, barren coastlines along the harbor, with bogs and marshes that support various plant and animal species native to Newfoundland. Burnt Islands, like many Newfoundland coastal communities, grew around the fishing industry. Early fishermen were drawn here between 1839 and 1841 because of the sheltered harbor and rich fishing grounds. The first settlers established themselves on the Main in 1839, and families settled on the island in 1841.
Thank you very much.